Well, this piece might not really look like a Zen doodle, but it really is. People have been asking me about three-dimensionality and how you can make the thing pop, how you can pull it up off the paper. And there's two tricks to that. One is shading and the other is vanishing points. Now in this particular example, I started off with a rectangular about, I think it was 5 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And I divided that then into 3 triangles. They're not all the same size. And I picked what was going to be my diagonals, we'll say, and I divided those into lengths of 3 millimeters, because I reckon that would probably be a decent enough length. And I think if you do this initial setup, after that you can then get into the Zen mode, because you're just going to do the same thing over and over again and just concentrate on connecting from your point over into whatever apex we've decided to use. And just stay in that sort of mode, ignore everything else, just line after line after line, taking it nice and easy. Try and be accurate with what you're doing, don't rush it, because that's the whole idea of Zen doodling. In this case, it's just Zen drawing lines, alright? That's all you have to do. Don't worry about how it's going to end up, because trust me, it's going to end up great. Now, if you look at what is going on here, it appears as if we have parallel lines going towards a vanishing point or a point in the distance. Because if you look at, railway tracks, they're parallel, but in the distance they come together. And that is giving our first impression that what we're looking at is not a flat piece, it's actually three-dimensional. And we get the idea, if we look at this after a while, that it's beginning to pop. Down at the edges are low, and then towards the center we have as if it's a roof rising up towards us. And then all I do at the end is just clean it up a little bit, or actually dirty it up, put in a little more contrast there with a darker corner. And so we come to the end. But what I did then was I did a second version of it, and I just moved one of the vanishing points. And you can see here where things pop out in a different way. You just get a different impression of what lines or what solid objects are near you and what ones are far away from you. Okay, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. I've got a lot more videos coming for you, both in terms of these lines and other types of doodling. And if you're interested in seeing them, be sure and subscribe and click the bell. Love to get thumbs up off you. And also comments, throw in comments there at the bottom. Love getting comments off you. So see you again in a couple of days, and until then, Slán Tamil.